born and bred from WKW School, are we kids. They charge into the future, armored with experience and dripping with creativity. But they didn't start like this. Learning from the school's enriching curriculum, they were all once young, naive students, crafting enchanting narratives, seizing moments of beauty, and capturing splendid images. They wrote captivating articles, going to great lengths to uncover daunting truths. They networked with industry professionals, cultivating connections and unlocking exclusive insights. And when they needed a break, the school provided a space for rest and recreation. They made mistake after mistake, but they kept on going to where they are now. These wee kids can be anything, and their journey began here. What about you?
Cut. Let's go on to the next thing.